For more than 40 years, the Eaton RESA Career Preparation Center has trained and educated the next generation of highly skilled, talented students for careers in sought-after industries. As we move into a new industrial revolution focused on human-machine interaction and the digitization of manufacturing, our career technical education programs continue to grow and change to meet the evolving needs of the new workplace landscape. By partnering with businesses in key industries, our programs offer students hands-on education and training through 17 programs in fields including manufacturing, engineering, welding, robotics, construction, digital media, and computer security. Additionally, our human-focused programs prepare students for careers in healthcare, business, insurance and risk management, all while providing experience in a workplace and a fast track to high-wage, in-demand jobs. Through our programs, students learn transferable skills, complete high school requirements, and have the opportunity to earn college credit and professional certifications. Students leave the Eaton RESA Career Preparation Center ready to enter apprenticeship programs, continue to community college or a four-year university, or go right into the workforce with applicable skills, know-how, and qualifications. After just 2 years or less at the Career Preparation Center, many students have the training and expertise that you need right now. Business partners play an important role in shaping our programs and providing vital insight to the needs of industry. We welcome business participation on our advisory boards, as mentors, and as program hosts. Together, we can build tomorrow's talent pipeline today. Eaton RESA's Career Preparation Center. Explore the possibilities, fast track your future.